Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a button link in the CSS. In the body tag, we have a paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag, we have an anchor hyperlink tag. The destination of the link is set to google.com. In the head tag, we have set the CSS style for our link. Here we will convert this link into a button link. The initial or the idle state of the link would be like this. The background color of the link is set to white. The text color is black. Then we have a green colored border. This border will enclose the link in such a way that the link would appear to be a button. The text decoration is set to none because the hyperlink always comes with an underline. Then we have set some padding around the link text. When the link is hovered with the mouse, and when the link is clicked, we set the style like this. When the link is hovered with the mouse, or clicked, the background color of the link turns green. Also, the text color turns white. Let's run this code in the browser. As you can see, our hyperlink has a green border around it, which makes it appear like a button. When the button is hovered or clicked, the button style changes. So that's it. That's how you can use a button link in the CSS. Thank you.